In this video, we will show you how to connect and configure the Airzone-LG communication gateway. The gateway is made up of 3 elements: a connector for the Airzone system's main control board and a fixing post, a configuration microswitch, a connector for the LG AC unit. Turn off the power to both your Airzone system and your LG AC unit before making the connections. Connect the gateway to the AC unit port on the Airzone main control board and secure it using the fixing post supplied. First, check that the toroid is connected to the indoor unit. Next, disconnect the LG thermostat from the indoor unit and connect it to the TERMOS terminal on the Airzone gateway. Connect the MAQUINA terminal on the Airzone gateway to the LG indoor unit using the corresponding cable supplied. Once all the connections are successfully made, configure the microswitch if necessary. The gateway automatically detects the AC unit fan speeds available. Finally, it's time to power up the Airzone system and the LG AC unit. Check all the status LEDs on the gateway to verify correct operation. Power supply LED, microprocessor activity LED, communication LEDs, gateway system, communication LEDs, gateway AC unit. Once the Airzone system is configured, select any operating mode other than stop to generate demand in a zone, and check that the LG controller receives the commands from the Airzone system.